I'm going to show you how I made bracelets using cardboard that I cut on my Glowforge. Hello good people, this is Sherry, owner and designer for Sharika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. I needed some bracelet forms and I did not have any, so I cut my cardboard. I used three circles, two small circles and one larger circle in the middle to give the bracelets a concave shape, if you know what I mean. This was really kind of messy because the cardboard had soot on it, so it was just really a city mess. But what I did is I used my hot glue gun and glued the pieces together and made, I think, about 5 bracelets. I mentioned that the cardboard was sooty. It was because I cut it on my Glowforge and I didn't quite get the setting right. So by the time I got the setting right, I had a couple that were really kind of sooty. And I don't remember what my settings were, but it was set for thick cardboard. You don't need a laser to cut these. You could just make your circles and use a blade to cut them or some scissors to just cut your circles in the size that you want. There's lots of cardboard around. Now that I have my forms made, I'm going to wrap them in some of my African print fabric. I fold one edge of the fabric over so that we don't have a raw edge showing. As I wrap my bracelet, I pull my fabric very tight. When I get ready to end my bracelet, I fold under both sides of the fabric so that I don't have any raw edges showing. And then I fold it to the inside and I glue it inside. I have a pack of 12 shower curtain rings from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to wrap 2 of them for my earrings to match my bracelet. I'm going to cut 2 pieces of wire and wrap them around each of my earrings to give my ear hooks something to attach to. Now that I have my loop made for my earring, I can attach my pendant clasp ear hook to it. If you want to use these pendant clasp ear hooks, I have a link to them in my Amazon store. Check out my Amazon link where I list most of the items that I use in my jewelry making journey. If you like this fabric, I have this fabric available in my Shopify store. This is authentic African print fabric, and I have fabric packs and 12 by 12 pieces that you can purchase. Okay, good people, you know the drill. Please give me a like, thumbs up, subscribe. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.